in the middle and icing on top. And once I start baking,